Have you ever tried to stand up from your favorite chair and, for a split second, you weren't sure if your legs were going to hold you? Or maybe you're walking up the stairs and your thighs feel like they're made of lead. They feel heavy, they feel weak, and deep down, a terrifying thought crosses your mind. Is this it? Is this the beginning of the end of my independence? If that sounds familiar, I need you to listen closely, because what you are feeling, that jelly leg sensation, that heaviness, is not just a normal part of aging. It is a biological warning signal. Most doctors will tell you to just walk more, but if walking was the cure, you wouldn't be watching this video. The truth is, leg weakness after 60 usually stems from a perfect storm of three things: muscle atrophy, specifically the fast twitch fibers; neural disconnect, your brain isn't sending strong signals to your legs; and circulatory blockages, the fuel isn't getting to the engine. Today, we aren't just doing a few leg lifts. I am going to give you a complete daily protocol to address all three of these root causes. We are going to wake up your nerves, flush your veins, and rebuild the pillars of your body. If you commit to doing this every single day, you won't just walk better, you will walk with power. Let's get to work. We have to start at the foundation. You can't build a strong house on a crumbling foundation, and you can't have strong legs with weak feet. Most seniors encase their feet in thick, rigid shoes all day. Your feet go blind. They lose the ability to feel the ground, which makes your legs hesitate with every step. Sit comfortably. I want you to try to spread your toes apart as wide as possible. Can you see space between them? Now, grip the floor like you're trying to pick up a towel. Do this 10 times. Squeeze, release. Spread, release. This wakes up the intrinsic muscles of the foot. It sends a signal up the nerve chain to your calves and thighs, saying, "We are active." Now, rock your feet. Lift your toes high. Feel the shin muscle burn? That's your tibialis anterior. That muscle is responsible for lifting your foot so you don't trip over carpets. Now lift your heels high. Feel the calf tighten? Rock back and forth 20 times. You are essentially pumping blood from the lowest point of your body back up to your heart. If you have swollen ankles, this is your daily medicine. Now we move to the powerhouse, the quadriceps, specifically the muscle right here on the inside of your knee. It's called the VMO. When this muscle gets weak, your knees buckle. When it's strong, your knees are bulletproof. Protocol 3, the seated leg extension, with a pause. Sit tall, grip the sides of your chair, slowly kick your right leg out until it is perfectly straight. Here's the secret. Lock the knee and hold it for 3 full seconds. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze that thigh muscle as hard as you can. Then lower it slowly. Most people just swing their legs. Momentum does nothing. Tension builds muscle. Imagine you're trying to crush a walnut behind your knee. That squeeze is what wakes up those dormant muscle fibers. Do 10 reps on the right, 10 reps on the left. If this is easy, do it with your toes pointed towards your face. That stretches the nerve and makes the muscle work double time. Now let's integrate this. Stand up. I want you to lower yourself toward the chair like you're about to watch TV, but stop 2 inches before your butt hits the seat. Hover there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Now stand back up. This is an isometric hold. It teaches your legs to handle your body weight under control. No crashing down. You are in charge of gravity. Do 5 of these every time a commercial comes on TV. We focus so much on the front of the legs, we forget the back. Your glutes, your butt muscles, are the largest muscle group in your body. They are the anti-gravity muscles. They push you upstairs and keep you upright. If your glutes are weak, your lower back has to do all the work.
That's why leg weakness and back pain often go hand in hand. Stand behind your sturdy chair. Keep your upper body straight, do not lean forward. Keep your legs straight and push your heel backward. Squeeze your glute at the top. You don't need to kick high, a few inches is enough. Focus on the squeeze. Pretend you are holding a winning lottery ticket between your butt cheeks, don't drop it. 10 reps each side. This restores the connection between your brain and your backside, which helps propel you forward when you walk. This one is advanced, so listen to your body. Stand with one hand on the chair. Take a small step back with your right foot. Keep your heel up. Now just bend both knees slightly, just a few inches. Straight down, straight up. This puts weight on the front leg and forces the glute and quad to work together. This mimics the motion of climbing stairs. If you struggle with stairs, this is your daily practice. 5 reps per leg. We've covered the muscles, but what if your muscles are fine but they feel weak because they are starving? As we age, blood flow to the extremities decreases. Peripheral artery disease, PAD, is common and often undiagnosed. If your legs feel cold or if the hair on your legs has stopped growing, you might have a circulation issue. Your calf muscles are your second heart. Every time they contract, they pump blood back up to the main heart. When you walk today, I want you to walk with intention. Don't shuffle. Push off your toes. Propel yourself. Think heel, push. This one sounds strange, but it works. It's called sensory activation. Every morning, take 30 seconds to briskly tap or massage your thighs and calves with your hands. Wake up the skin, wake up the nerves. You are improving proprioception, your body's awareness of where it is in space. Often, weakness is just your brain having a fuzzy map of your legs. Tapping sharpens the map. You can do these exercises all day, but if you don't support your biology, you are fighting a losing battle. 1. Vitamin D and magnesium. Low vitamin D is directly linked to muscle weakness in seniors. It's not just for bones, it's for muscle function. Get your levels checked. If you are low, no amount of squatting will fix the weakness. And magnesium? It helps your muscles relax so they don't cramp at night. 2. Hydration. I said this in my other video, but I'll say it again. Your muscles are 75% water. A dehydrated muscle is a weak muscle. If your legs feel heavy, drink 2 glasses of water and wait 20 minutes. You might be surprised. 3. Protein timing. Don't save all your protein for dinner. Spread it out. Your muscles need a steady stream of amino acids throughout the day to repair the damage we just caused with exercise. So, here is your prescription. You don't need a gym. You don't need spandex. Morning. In bed, 20 ankle pumps. Get the blood moving before you even stand up. Breakfast, toe spreads while drinking your coffee. Midday, commercial breaks, 10 sit-to-stands and 10 leg extensions. Evening, 10 glute squeezes while brushing your teeth. It's not a workout, it's a lifestyle. Leg weakness feels like freedom slipping away. I know it's scary, but the human body is a miracle. It forgives us. It recovers. Even at 70, 80, or 90, your muscles will respond if you challenge them. Don't accept heaviness as your new normal. Do these movements today, do them tomorrow, and keep walking strong. If you want to know specifically which vitamins help rebuild leg muscle the fastest, I've broken down the top 3 supplements for seniors in this video right here. It's the perfect partner to the routine we just did. Click here and let's fix your nutrition.